in South Louisiana, we're known for poor health stats, but St. Tammany Health System is taking this as an opportunity. We've invested in our Be Well bus, and we can't wait to bring it out into the community so that our residents can take advantage of all of the preventative health screenings that are going to be available on the bus. People can expect to see the Be Well bus out in the community at fairs, festivals, any community events, at employer-sponsored events, and at all of our clinic locations. We're bringing these services and resources out into the community where people can use them the most. Our bus is fully loaded. We have a spacious registration area when you come onto the bus. There's a private mammo suite. There's a private clinic room where health exams and screenings and services can be rendered to anybody that's coming through. We're excited about bringing these out into the community to offer this to our residents. We can accommodate a wide array of cancer screenings on the bus. We'll have state-of-the-art mammography equipment for breast cancer screenings. We'll have a private clinic room so that we can do skin cancer checks, head and neck cancer checks, colorectal cancer screenings via Fit Kit. We can do prostate cancer screenings. We can do assessments for lung cancer risk and refer those folks to our outpatient pavilion to have lung cancer screenings. We're ready to roll, so if you want to learn more about the Be Well bus or have us come to your event or to your business, check us out at bewellbus.health.